10,000 robots on the job by year-end. That's the target China's policy just set. But don't let the launch event runway walks fool you. Announcing a robot is on the job and actually working a factory line are two different things. Two tables, one is what's announced on stage, the other is what's really turning screws on the line. The few thousand units between them are this trade's most valuable business this year. First, the announced table. The policy 10,000 is a year-end target, not units already on a line. Same week, Beijing's Tiangong 3. 0 announced second-half mass production at half the unit cost, their own plan. And Unitree is pushing for a star market listing, dubbed by the market the first humanoid stock. We just report it. We don't judge what it's worth. Real heat. But an announced plan and a pending listing are still several gates from working a full shift. Now the table that's really working. Figures robots at BMW's US plant, per news reports, are running on the X3 line. 5 days a week, 10 hours a day, loading fixtures and moving sheet metal, keeping real production tact. Cumulatively, well over 1 million steps and 1,000+ operating hours. It's the first time a humanoid has gone this far, not a runway walk, an actual post held on a line. That's where the weight of this table sits. Holding a post isn't enough, you need volume. And here China's makers are genuinely doing the work. Unitree says it shipped 500+ humanoids in 2025, self-claimed #1 by volume. Augibot is more concrete. It rolled off Unit 10,000 in late March, behind it a real line at a tablet plant's load/unload station and an auto electronics flexible assembly cell, a fastest takt of 97 seconds. Success rate above 99%, fully traceable in the system. UB Tech disclosed 500+ Walker S2 units delivered for the year. Roll off, deliver, and hit takt. That's what backs actually on the job. So where should this trade's money go? Plant owner or integrator, the math is the same. The target shouts 10,000, but what's truly on the job is still in the thousands. That gap is the most valuable thing to watch this year. Per the International Federation of Robotics, global industrial robot installations hit a record $16.7 billion in value last year. What actually gets paid for is lines that pass acceptance. In one line, a great brain still has to grow on limbs that can do real work and clear tact and sign off. Don't get pulled by 10,000 or world first. First ask which gate it cleared on a real floor. Two tables. The announced one shows the trend, the working one shows the landing. Next time you scroll past 10,000 by year-end or world first, just ask one thing. On a real floor, did it work a full shift? Follow me. Every day I split what's announced from what's actually on the job. Of today's stories, which one do you most want me to break down? Drop the number in the comments.